If the remote control of your Chromecast with Google TV is not working, or some buttons in the remote control does not just work, in this video I will show you how to fix your Chromecast with Google TV remote that is not working. So first things first, what you want to do is to go ahead and pull back the battery cover of the remote control just like this. Pull out the batteries on the remote control. And now you want to go ahead and long press on the power button over here for 5 seconds. So just press and hold for 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you want to go ahead and pull back the batteries of the remote control. Just go ahead and put them back just like so. Lest I forget, you also want to make sure that the batteries on your remote control are actually good before you put them back. Before you go ahead to control your Chromecast with Google TV with the remote control, you want to go over to the Chromecast at the back of your TV. So over here is the Chromecast at the back of my TV, and basically what you want to do is to go ahead and long press on this little button over here. Just go ahead and long press it for some seconds until the light on the Chromecast with Google TV changes to yellow. So just go ahead and long press, and you can now see it just showed the yellow color, indicating that it is now ready to pair with the remote of our Chromecast with Google TV. Now what you want to do is to come over to your Chromecast with Google TV remote, and then you want to go ahead and press on the back button and the home button together for some seconds until it pairs with the Chromecast with Google TV over here. So just go ahead and pair just like so, and then if you go ahead and press on the OK button, you can now see that it actually works very well with our remote control. You can literally see that it works very well now. So I am literally controlling the Chromecast with Google TV over here with the Chromecast with Google TV remote. Now if after doing all of these you still notice that some of the buttons on your remote control does not work, what you want to do is to just go over to the settings of your Chromecast with Google TV over here, click on the settings icon, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to remote and accessories over here. Click on remote and accessories. Now you want to go ahead and click on setup remote buttons over here. Now you want to click on add devices over here. Go ahead and select TV. Now you just want to go ahead and select your brand of TV from the list of TVs over here. Mine is actually a Hisense TV, so I'll just go ahead and select Hisense just like so. And then you want to go ahead and select the button on your Chromecast with Google TV that is not working. So if it is the volume button, you select volume. If it is the power button or input button, just go ahead and select any of the button that is not working. By just selecting the button that is not working, your Chromecast with Google TV will automatically fix itself. When you click on the next button over here, it will automatically fix itself so that the volume button on your remote control will start working again. So once you do this, you can see that it is now fixing itself. Now it will ask you whether it is now working, so you want to go ahead and click on yes once it starts to work, and automatically that particular button has been fixed on my Chromecast with Google TV. So basically that is how to fix your Chromecast with Google TV remote that is not working. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.